What's up, everybody? How's you guys doing today? So today is Tuesday. Okay, it's almost the weekend and almost Christmas and New Year. So I hope everybody doing okay, and have fun shopping and all of that. And without further ado, in this video, we are going to make a new project number 7, and it gonna feature 4 things. Okay, one, we're gonna make a big rectangle at 6 by 3. Actually, it's not big but small. Then we're gonna put another one inside and then another one inside. Okay, and we're gonna make a circle. Okay, we're gonna make a hole, 4 hole, a half inch, and 6 hole or a quarter inch. Okay, and then we're gonna use a 1 inch cut on the outside. Okay. Now, without further ado, let's go to our Mastercam 9, and we're gonna do that now. Okay. Okay, from this one, we're gonna go ahead, go to our main menu. Let's go and click on create and select rectangle here and select 1 point. And the width and height, we're gonna use the width of 6 inches and the height gonna be 3 inches. Okay, go and click OK here and put in the middle, put in origin here and click escape. Go and go to 1 point again. We're gonna use this one here is a 3 inch, this one 6. Okay, we're gonna use 3 inches. Okay, and then this one right here, we're gonna go 1.5, 1.5. Okay. This one right here, the width right here, we're gonna go 3.5 actually. 3.5. Okay. Width 3.5, height 1.5. Okay, we're gonna click OK here. And we're gonna put in the middle again and click escape. We're gonna go back to 1 point again. We're gonna make one more. So we're gonna go on the width, it's gonna be 3 inches. And the height, we're gonna go 1.25, 1.25. Okay. And we're gonna click OK here. We're gonna put in the middle again, just like that, and click escape. Now we have one rectangle, two rectangle, and we got the third rectangle. Okay. Now we're gonna make a radius right here. Okay, on this 4 corner on the small one, and then we're gonna make another radius on 4 corner on the middle one right here. Okay. Now on the small one right here, we're gonna do a 3/8 radius, all 4 corner. And on the big one right here, we're just gonna go 0.6, gonna be a 5/8 here on a rectangle, on this radius. Okay. Now let's go to our main menu here. Let's go to modify and click on fillet and select on radius. And this right here on the bottom right here, say enter the fillet radius. We're gonna use 0.375 with 3/8. Okay. And click enter. And then we're gonna use the first line and second line from the inside here. 1, 2 right here. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. We're gonna go back up. We're gonna select fill alert again and select on radius. And on this radius, we're gonna make 0.6. Okay, 5/8.6. Enter. We're gonna make it outside here on this 4 corner. So select from first line and second line, first line, second line, first, second line, first line, and second line, just like that. Okay, and click escape. Now we're gonna go back to main menu, and then we're gonna create some line here. Okay, the reason why we make the line, we're gonna make a perfect circle on here. Okay, so we're gonna make a 3 hole here and 3 hole in the bottom and 2 on the side here and 2 on the side here. Okay, let's go to our main menu and then click on create, and then select on line here. We're gonna use parallel line and side distance. Okay, we're gonna select from here, then go ahead and put half inches and select enter, just like that. We're gonna do all 4 corners here, just like that, from the bottom to the top and the top to the bottom, just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna make another line from this top right here to the middle line. So we have here have the 3 inches on the height. So we're gonna split that in half to 1.5. Okay, let's go back up and set the light distance again. We're gonna select from this one on the top to the bottom and go ahead and put 1.5 and enter. It's right here in the middle. Okay, just like that. So now we're gonna make another line. Okay, from the left to the right. We're gonna fill it up the line of 1/2 inch. Okay, select from right here, and we're gonna put 1/2 inch, 0.5, just like that, and then enter. We're gonna do the whole thing, just like that, all the way across, just like that. Okay, that's good. Clear escape. So the reason why we're gonna do that, because we're gonna make sure that we have the hole over here lined up on the bottom and the top lined up, okay, and on the side also. Now let's go over here and create the hole, okay. Let's go ahead and click on create. And then we're gonna click on arc here. Then choose circle point diameter here. Now the first one is gonna be a 0.5. Okay, there's a 1/2 inch hole. Okay, click enter. We're gonna make only 4 here. Okay, put it in the middle here. 1, 2. On this side right here, 1 and 2. And click escape. We're gonna go back to circle point diameter again, and this time we're gonna put a 1/4 inch. Okay, 0.25, and click enter. And we're gonna start from right here. Okay, let's start from right here. Skip this one right here, and make it this one right here. And the bottom, same thing. And on this side right here, skip one, okay, and do this one right here. And the top, okay. Now we gotta skip one here. We gotta do one more. Skip 1, skip 2, okay. Then we gotta put a run right here, just like that. And the bottom right here, just like that right here. And click escape. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, okay. 5. So we have a 1/4 inch hole, and then we have a 1/2 inch hole, okay. And on this project here, we're gonna use a center point drill. Okay, we're gonna use a center point drill. Okay, now let's go on the top right here, delete the line. We're gonna delete this whole line right here. Okay, just see it clear, make it clear. Let's go ahead and delete some line here. Okay. Now, you guys have a hard time doing this, just go ahead and redo it, and until you get it. Okay, and then, you just keep kind of watch the video and over until you get it. And I know this is for a beginner, it's really hard sometimes, but you can get it. Okay, let's go to main menu again, and let's go to our toolpath. Actually, let's go our toolpath, and we're gonna select some drill here, and then you're gonna select on manual. Okay. Okay, you gotta put it right here in the middle of the circle here. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then click escape, and then you select done here. Then it's a tool library. Go ahead and right click and get the tool from our library. And we're gonna use a 1/2 inch center drill right here, which is number 3 right here. 1/2 inch center drill. Select on that and click OK. And tool number 1 stated tool name 1/2 inch center drill right here. And the feed rate, we go ahead and change, put the 2 inches, 2, okay, 2.0. And then on this one right here, the speed rate, just go ahead and put 1,000 here. Okay, just like that. And then the cooling, go ahead and turn it on. And this section right here, we're gonna go ahead and put center drill, first center drill. Okay, 1 center drill. Okay, just like that. And then we got here, we got a simple, select on that, and make sure you select on the clearing. Okay, and the top of stock, we go ahead and put 0.75. We use that material. And the depth right here, we gotta drill all the way through. Okay, but not all the way through. I would say 1/2 inch. Just make sure enough for the, you can put a screw on there. Okay, just go ahead and put negative 0.5 here. Okay, and then select OK. And then we're gonna go drill again, and then we're gonna do this circle right here. 1. Okay, go ahead and put right here. Go ahead and back up. We're gonna go drill and go to like manual, and select right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then click escape. then click done. Then this our tool library again, go ahead and right click, get it from a tool library. And then this time we're gonna use a 1/4" center drill. So select OK here. Okay, and we have stay rate tool number 2. And feed rate, we're gonna go ahead and put 2.0. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and change it to 2000. And then we got change, turn it on already. This is gonna be a second center drill, okay? Just like that. And then the symbol deck right here, we're gonna click right here. And gonna put a negative 0.5. Okay, then click OK, just like that. Then we're gonna come back over to this left side. We're gonna click on pocket, click on change here. We're gonna do this one right here on the outside, just like that, and select done here. And right click on the tool library and go ahead and scroll down. We're gonna use a 1/4" flat end mill, okay? Try to find a 1/4" flat end mill right here, 235, click OK. Say tool number 3 right here. The feed rate 6.0, plunge rate 6 point, retracted rate 6 point. We're gonna change that to a 7.0. Okay. Put 7.0 here. And then we're gonna turn the coolant on. And then the speed, we're gonna change it to 2,000 to 4,000. And then this right here, we're gonna put pocket. Okay, rough pocket. Okay. Just like that. And then we're gonna go to pocket parameter. Okay. And the depth right here, we're gonna put a negative 0.4. We don't want to go too deep. And then on the tip right here, you're gonna use center. And sharp, gonna go none. You're gonna use none right here. Okay. And the rough pocket right here, we're gonna select on the one way. And on the cutter comb, we're gonna use wear. And select OK here, just like that. And then we're gonna go one more contour here. And click on change. We're gonna do it from the outside, just like that, and click done. We're gonna get our tool number 1" tool. Okay. Let's go slow down. Get a 1" flat right here, 1" flat end mill. We're gonna use that. And click OK. I said tool right here, 1/2" flat. So I have go ahead and change right here to 8.0. One more right here, 8.0. And spindle speed, go ahead and put to 700, like that. Go ahead and turn it on the coolant. And this right here, we're gonna put finish path. Just like that. And then we're gonna click contour right here. We're gonna cut all the way through. We're gonna put negative 0.75. Okay, on the computer right here, we're gonna put weir. And composition direction, put left on here. Tip comb, we're gonna put center. Okay. And then we're gonna choose OK here. Just like that. And then we're gonna come over here to operation and select all and verify that. And go ahead and make our tool. What you guys think about this project, guys? Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, and like the video. If you guys know somebody that want to learn the beginning and of the software, please let them know and share all this video, okay, guys. And let's go to our setup. This part. Let's go to tool setup right here. Job setup. So Y is 3. The Y is 6. So 3 actually 3, and X is 6. And Z, well, we're gonna put 1 inches and top of stock. Okay. Click OK here. And zoom it in, put screen and unzoom right here. Go in and right click and go to dynamic spin here. And you can spin around just like that. Okay. So let's go click F9 here. And go and put the screen here. Unzoom it. And you're gonna rotate it. It's up to you guys. You just rotate it just like that. You know, no problem. Like that. See on the top, see on the bottom. Okay, just like that. Okay, guys. So that's all I have for today. And if you guys like the video, don't forget to ring the bell. And I see you guys next time. Okay, you guys have a great day and have a wonderful weekend and happy holiday. Okay.